Just want to say we got a Toyota Yaris, no 4-wheel drive.
Just a regular car.
So let's see how we do it. If something, it'll be a YouTube hit. If we get stuck.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. But, well, YouTube hit, yes.
This is Sweetie Fella Aleks. Look at that.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Round and round.
Round and round.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus.
So we are doing the hanging bridge. It is really swinging. Well, a little bit. Look at that. What is it? It is. Woo!
We're gonna go all the way up there.
Oh my gosh.
No, we're not.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
No.
Yes.
No. No.
What is that? Oh my gosh. That's where we're gonna go. Are you excited? Yeah, a little bit? Okay.
It said no ziplining. Roller coaster deck.
How excited are you? Not really excited? Afraid? He's a little bit afraid. That's okay. Okay, I'm not sure who is more afraid. Mommy, Alex, or Daddy? Mommy. Mommy is really afraid. Yes, I am afraid. It is fun.
Let's see.
Let's look for monkeys.
Or small.
There is a restaurant. Oh, we have to go. Okay, I wait to you anyway. Let's go upstairs. This is the. Whoa, are they ziplining?
We don't have to zipline.
Alex, this is for ziplining.
That's for ziplining crazy.
Viewpoint.
Yeah, we can go all the way up there. But then we'll take the train.
Okay. Okay, it's raining tacos right now.
It's raining
Tacos.
No way.
Okay, let's do it. Oh shoot, are you sure you wanna do it?
It's raining tacos or bananas.
Oh boy, and my lovely white shoes will no longer be white.
Oh, this is the best way to fuck.
Tropical spider.
Ziplining. This is so cool.
Just wait.
Okay. What? What did you find? Spider web. Nice. I love it. Spider web. Where? The spider is gone. Okay, guys. It's really windy. Whoa, it is really windy. I don't know, where do we go? Oh my gosh.
Don't worry, we need it.
Sweetie Fella Aleks says, don't worry.
It's fine.
My beautiful shoes. I shouldn't have done that.
Touch them. You don't even have to.
Can I wash them? Okay. Not really. No.
Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Muddy!
Oh, wow.
Oh boy. Alex, follow daddy, follow daddy. The conditions are terrible. Especially with my white shoes. I have my white shoes. Oh! And then I'm gonna have brown shoes. Like Pete the Cat story. I have my white shoes. I have my white shoes. Oh my gracious. Can you do it again?
My brown shoes. I got my brown shoes.
I got my brown shoes. Washes
All out.
Is everyone okay?
Yes.
And you know what?
What is that?
You know.
I don't.
You know what?
You know what? Okay, we know what is it, right? We all know what is it.
Guess.
Guess, yeah, guess. That's
Tell me, and you know what? It's going to grow.
Look at the leaves.
Wait, listen, quiet. You can start talking.
Okay, we can start talking again. We are still trying to find an animal. Oh shoot, in the forest. Oh my gosh, look at that, it's getting lower and darker. Okay, we are going up now, but it's raining. It's really raining. And this is the zip line, guys. Not for me.
The longest zip line in Costa Rica.
Oh my goodness, this is the longest zip line in Costa Rica.
I don't want to do this.
You're not doing the zip line.
Okay, so Daddy is really high up, and me and Alex had to stay here. Okay, we are coming back,
And then going to another park.
and then we are going to explore another park.
I still got the walk bridge.
Oh yeah. We are going down now. For real. What is that sound?
It's probably the sharks that the road has those, twisters, what makes it do that sound.
Yeah, probably.